Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see another problem which is based on property number 4 of definite integral. In this problem, whenever we have limits in the form of minus a to a, we must check whether it is an even function or an odd function. In the given problem, you can see the limits are minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So therefore, the first step that we are going to follow is that check whether it is even or an odd function. For that, we will consider f of x as sin raised to 4x upon sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x and put x as minus x. That will give you sin of minus x the whole raised to 4 upon sin of minus x the whole raised to 4 plus cos of minus x the whole raised to 4. Now, as we know, sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. So this will give you minus sin x raised to 4 upon minus sin x raised to 4 plus cos of minus theta will give you cos theta. So this becomes cos x raised to 4. Now minus term with even power will give you positive answer. So further, this will give you sin raised to 4x upon sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x. It means we are getting our original function f of x. Since f of minus x is equal to f of x, we can say the given function f of x is an even function. Now, since it is an even function, we are going to split the given integral as 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. And let us consider this as equation number 1. Further, you can use the property number 2, which says integral 0 to a f of x dx can be written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. In short, we are going to replace x as upper limit minus x. Here the upper limit is pi by 2. So we are going to replace x as pi by 2 minus x. As you can see, sin of pi by 2 minus x will give you cos x and cos of pi by 2 minus x will give you sin x, which are the complementary angle formulas. So this will give you I is equal to 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4x upon cos raised to 4x plus sin raised to 4x dx. Now considering this as equation number 2, we can add equation 1 and 2. After adding equation number 1 and 2, on the left hand side you will get I plus I, and on the right hand side 2 will be taken common, and both have same limit 0 to pi by 2. Also both have same denominator, so we can directly add the numerator. That will give you sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x divided by sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x. Here numerator and denominator being same, it will be cancelled. We have 2i is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 dx. 2 will be also cancelled. I will be integration of dx is x within limits 0 to pi by 2. Therefore, I will be pi by 2 minus 0, that will be pi by 2. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe to Ekeeda.